Guys, guess what? You're about to enter into one of the biggest landfill scams we have in Ghana, which is located somewhere in Greater Accra. Before visiting this place, I was thinking about what my friends are going to see. I was also told that we have people living around this zone, which made me more interested in filming this video. On my way, I saw this huge land covered in green. This is the Bone landfill. It was a large engineered landfill in Greater Accra, Ghana, which operated from 2013 but became overloaded due to lack of other regional facilities. In 2022, the landfill was closed, undergoing decommission and re-engineering into a green zone for recreation activities. Guys, guess what? This is more big. It's more huge than what I thought. There's a huge mountain full of dustbin at the back. You can see it yourself. Come on. We are going to climb this. I'm going to move to the top. I'm going to climb that. But before, I need to ask permission from people who are around to see if we are permitted to film over here. So I've seen a man over there, so let me see him and ask him if we are permitted to film. A short story about this place. After the landfill was closed, the waste items and materials were moved to a new site where all waste from different parts of Ghana are kept. Talking about pollution, air pollution and water pollution is some of the problems facing these people who live in the community. People living around are workers who pick items that can be renewed or recycled to a different product and are making over thousands of cedis a day.